TL10 Cookery, Quarter 3, Module 5, Perform Mise en Place. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify the uses of poultry and game, classify poultry and game, select good quality poultry and game, and appreciate the relevance of the lesson in real life. Poultry includes all domestic birds suitable for food except pigeon and squab. Examples: chicken, turkey, duck, goose. Game includes such birds and animals suitable for food as are pursued and taken in the field and forest. Examples: quail, partridge, wild duck, plover, killdeer. Classification of poultry and game. Bird, such as chicken, is good for meat and eggs. Duck, for meat, eggs, and feathers. Turkey, for meat. Goose, for meat, feather, and eggs. Quail, for meat and eggs. Pigeon, for meat. Guinea fowl, for meat. Wild duck, for meat and feather. And pheasant, for meat. Chickens and other poultry may be divided into classes which are essentially of the same physical characteristics associated with age, sex, live weight, or breed. Here are the following classes. Broiler or fryer. A broiler or fryer is young chicken, usually 9 to 12 weeks of age, of either sex. Is tender meat with soft, pliable, smooth-textured skin. Rooster. A rooster is usually 5 to 6 months of age. Capon. It is a surgically dissected male chicken, usually under 8 months of age. Stag. It is a male chicken, usually under 10 months of age, with coarse skin, with somewhat toughened and darkened flesh. Hen or stewing chicken. It is a mature female chicken, which is usually more than 10 months of age. It can also be called layer. Cock or rooster. It is a mature male chicken with coarse skin, toughened and darkened meat, and hardened breastbone tip. Jumbo broiler. This is a large chicken about 4 kg dressed weight, which are on sale, especially during the Christmas holiday. Other poultry. Peking duck. This is the breed of duck originated from China and is noted for its tender and flavorful meat. Duck or itik is available and popular in many towns of Rizal as fried itik. Squab. This is a young immature pigeon of either sex and has extra tender meat. Selecting good quality poultry and game. Live poultry. It has clear eyes. A young chicken has fine and soft feet. If it is old, the feet are thick and scaly. The bone at the tip of the breast is soft in younger chicken and thick in older one. Small feathers indicate that the chicken is young. Whole poultry. These are slaughtered birds that have been bled and defeathered. Their head, Feet and viscera are still intact. They are clean, well-fleshed. They have moderate fat coverings. They are free from pin feathers and show no cuts, scars, or missing skin. Dressed poultry. These are slaughtered birds that have been bled, defeathered, and the visceral organs are removed. The skin is smooth and yellow in color. The breast is plump. The thighs are well developed. It has no objectionable odor. It is heavy and the skin is not watery. Ready to cook. These dressed birds may be cut up and marinated or seasoned. Poultry parts. Several pieces of a single poultry parts are usually packed in one carton, wrapped, and chilled or frozen. The various poultry parts are divided into any of the following: dark meat, drumsticks, thighs, wings, neck, box, and rib cage; white meat, breast, giblets, such as gizzard and heart;